Welcome back. A 73-year-old man went before a judge today accused of a double murder in Colville that happened nearly 3 decades ago. Charles Tatum made his first appearance in court for the murders of Marlene Emerson and her 12-year-old daughter, Cassie. Jordan Smith was in the courtroom this morning and has the latest from Colville.
This is a murder case that people living in Colville remember very well, even to this day. After 27 years of unanswered questions, the family members of Marlene and Cassie Emerson sat in this courtroom and got a look at the man accused of this horrific string of murders.
These offenses are heinous. They're violent.
In court this morning, 73-year-old Charles Tatum made his first appearance, accused of murdering Marlene Emerson with a knife, then lighting her trailer on fire, then brutally murdering her 12-year-old daughter. Tatum sat motionless as prosecuting attorney Erica George made a fierce plea to keep him in jail with no chance to bond out.
Regardless of the fact that he's 73 years old, I don't think the court should ignore the brutality of these offenses where Marlene Emerson's ear was removed before her body was lit on fire. They were directed to leave no witnesses. In this case, the witness was a young child, and she was brutally murdered and left out in the woods to be found a month later.
Court documents allege Tatum committed the murder to maintain his membership or advance his position in a club called the Iron Horsemen, an outlaw motorcycle gang. But the case went unsolved for 27 years, largely in part because witnesses refused to come forward, fearful of the consequences if they testified against the gang. Witnesses reported hearing loud booms the night of Marlene's murder, believed to belong to the modified exhaust of a Chevy Blazer. That car was being driven by Tatum at the time. Inside, police found Cassie's blood, along with Tatum's DNA on a cigarette butt, tying him to the scene.
Mr. Tatum will be held without bail in this particular case.
Tatum's arraignment will be December 31st. He's facing 2 counts of aggravated first-degree murder. The town that's been without answers for nearly 3 decades, one step closer towards closure. For 4 News Now, I'm Jordan Smith.